How to change billing address on Shein. Hello and welcome to our channel Web Quiz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the billing address on Shein, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I'm going to open my app Shein, and at the bottom of my screen I have 5 different options. The last one is me. And probably there, if you don't have your username on top of your screen, you must log into your account. Once you are in your account, on top of your screen, next to the shopping cart to the left, we're gonna find the symbol of options of settings. If I go there, I'm going into the settings of my account, and the first option, or perhaps the second, is the address book. If I click there, I'm gonna find the address that I get into my Shein. At the bottom of my screen, I have the button to add a shipping address, or at the bottom of my current address, I have the bin to delete my address. Also, I can tap on it and change all the data and modify all the data that I need to do here on my Shein account. And that's it. Also, if you add different shipping address, you can check that my default address is this one, obviously, because it's the only one. But if you have different addresses, you can select the default one when you are in the shopping process. So this is how you can change your billing address on Shein. Thanks for watching.